Finxters, this is Tomas, and in this video I'm going to be covering the Python dictionary update method. Okay, so before I cover the code examples, I'm first going to give you a little bit of an overview of the dictionary update method first. Okay, so its definition. The dictionary update method updates a dictionary with a key value pair element from another dictionary, or from an iterable of key value pair elements. Its syntax. So dictionary update, call the dictionary, and then dot update, and then in parentheses you're going to pass in a list of parameters. So it could be a dictionary or an iterable. So the dictionary update method inputs either an iterable object of key value pair elements, tuples in most cases, or another dictionary. Also, if the Python dictionary update method is applied to a dictionary without any parameters passed, then no changes to the dictionary occur. So the dictionary remains the same. Side note, the dictionary update method inserts a specified key value pair element into a dictionary if the key does not exist. Okay, so now it's return value. The Python dictionary update method performs its update operation but does not return any value, returns a none value. Example using the Python dictionary update method to, so here I'm going to cover an example on using the Python dictionary update method to update the value of a key in a dictionary. Okay, so here I declare an identities variable and initialize it to this dictionary, identity 1, identity 2, identity 3 to these names, and then change identity 3. So I'm going to call this identity key and change that from that Sarah to Amada. And then I'm going to call on this next line, I'm going to call the update method on the identities dictionary, and then I'm going to call this the result stored in the change identity 3, this dictionary stored in there. So now I'm going to then print the identities dictionary after the changes. So let me run this again. Okay, see identity 3, it changed to Amada. So basically, as the results show, that in this example shows how to update a value of a particular key in a dictionary by passing another dictionary with the key and its changed value as a parameter to the dictionary update method. Alright, so in this next step, I'm going to be covering an example showing how to add key value pair elements to a Python dictionary using the dictionary update method. So here I declare the groceries dictionary, set it to an empty dictionary. I declare apples, oranges, peaches, so the keys, and then set to their quantities, and then I'm going to call the groceries. I'm going to call the update method on the groceries for each of these items, the key value items, the fruits and their quantities, and store it inside of the dictionary. And finally, at the end, I'm going to print out the groceries dictionary with these new items. So see how it has these new items in the dictionary, which is nice. So basically this example shows how to individually insert key value pair elements into a dictionary. Okay, so on to the next example. I'm going to store items variable, initialize into an empty dictionary again, and then I'm going to call the update method on the store items dictionary and pass as parameters pens, notebooks, desks, shelves as a tuple. And here we have our keys and our values, or so like pens, the quantity of 3, notebooks quantity 4, so on and so forth. And then finally, I'm going to print out the store items again, and see how it prints them all out. Inserts them into the dictionary, and then it prints them out, which is it's a lot more useful using a tuple in this case than calling each than doing dictionaries individually to insert. So you can insert it all in one line, which is useful. So basically, in the previous example, applying the dictionary update method to a dictionary with one key value pair element is good when only one key value pair element needs to be inserted into a dictionary, but this operation becomes tedious if multiple key value pair elements are required to be inserted into a dictionary. This example of passing a tuple to a Python dictionary update method is very useful because multiple key value pair elements can be inserted into a dictionary all at once. Okay. So in this next example, I'm going to be covering example on how to merge two nested dictionaries using a Python dictionary method, dictionary update. And here, I think there was some sort of collision between the names. I'm not sure the professions, but some sort of collision occurred and I wasn't able to get it, so it returned none, which is I guess what it's supposed to do. So it attempted merging of nested dictionaries failed, resulting in a none value being returned. Okay, so I hope this helped you. I hope this video helped you guys get a better understanding of the dictionary update method. Okay, thanks again. Bye bye.